everybody, my name is Ateya and I thank you guys so much for joining me on this video today. This video is for my day ones. If you guys know, I've been down with NU-GRO forever. That was one of my first or second videos, I think after Apogee, when my hair got matted. Y'all remember that over 15 years ago and I had to cut my hair? Do y'all remember? So this company is near and dear to my heart, and I just want to come through with a video on today to show you guys that I still got the swang and the bang bang, okay? So I'm going to show you guys step by step, as I used to do in the past, how to achieve this beautiful look with NU-GRO. So let's get into it. My day ones! Stand up. Let's go. And hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me on this video today. This is the NU-GRO Mega Hair Growth System. It comes with shampoo, conditioner, a moisturizing spray, and grease. But I will omit the grease because I only will wear the grease in my hair if my hair is braided back with a wig, so you won't see that today. The shampoo, let's talk about it. So it comes with a lot of herbs and vitamins. It reduces shedding and it improves the moisture retention on your hair. And when I say that spray gave my hair a really good shine, you're definitely going to see it in this video. I always like to put the shampoo on my hair dry. I don't know why. That's just how I like to do it first. And then I add water and it gives me a good lather. So make sure you just wash your hair twice. And then you rinse it out and look at that lather. Oh my goodness. So next we're going to get into the conditioner. This is the hair rejuvenating conditioner. It has, oh my God, so many good things in there. They got parsley, garlic, nettle, burdock, horsetail, coltsfoot, rosemary leaf, jojoba oil, olive oil, safflower oil, castor oil, coconut oil. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Just make sure you put it in those roots, honey. And I always comb my hair straight. And then I also apply more to my ends. So after you're done with that, just make sure you let it sit on your hair for like 5 minutes. Do a little dance, left to it, right to it, left to it, 5 minutes. Let it sit and then rinse it out. And when I say this smells so good, it smells amazing. So next we're going to go to the NU-GRO Moisture Plus. I apply this to my roots and my ends of my hair because, baby, my hair is just getting out of control. It's so thick. We're on the home stretch, and I'm happy about it. So we're just going to take a bit to comb. Look at these roots, y'all. Like, I need color, and look how thick. That spray does the trick. It also helps with shedding breakage. And may I add, it is an all-natural product, y'all. Check out the ingredients. Make sure you put it on all over your hair. I also add it to my ends. And this is just something I like to do. I also like to put a foam on my hair before I get under the dryer. I sit on the dryer for like 5 minutes and then I go back in with my Dyson. But that spray is going to have my hair with so much shine. Y'all, this is like a growth spurt in a bottle. I love it. So we're going to part my hair. And I'm going to do my normal. If you're one of my day ones, you already know I like to flat iron and curl. So nothing's changed. I still have my Izutech flat iron. It used to be Izunami. So you just make sure you spray your hair with a heat protectant and you're good to go. I always put on the highest setting, especially when my hair is so thick. And I pass it through my hair like 2 or 3 times. And look at the shine. Wait till y'all see the bounce. Right. Oh, y'all see it. Y'all see it. Okay. So we're just going to finish the hair with the flat iron. We're almost there, y'all. Hang in there. The thickness, oh my goodness. So I'm just going to make sure my part is straight. Put on a little makeup off camera. And here it is. This is my hair straight. Now I'm going to go in with my curling iron 1 inch. We're just going to give a couple bumps. on both sides of the hair. And if you want to spray right here when you're done, you can also. But we are done. Just make sure you stay consistent with this hair growth system. Nothing happens overnight and you are good to go, honey. One time for the swang swang. Hey, let's do it. Hey, swang and the bang. Love you guys. And as always, thank you guys so much for stopping by and showing me love. To my day ones, you already know what it is. I love you guys so much. So to all my newcomers, hey, keep it locked because I have so much more coming up. So if you guys want to try this product, because you already know my day ones, they already got it. Go to NU-GROhair.com. Use coupon code LEVELUP to get 10% off your purchase. So I love you guys. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.